Good day, beautiful people. So I'm on my bike this morning. I can finally go for a bike ride, like a real one. So I'm gonna ride. Be safe out here in these streets. Freaking Friday, you know what that means? No panties, ladies, no panties. Let me just say, okay, I just finished 2.5 miles so far, and my legs, my thighs, my booty are burning. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have went so hard at first, but I had to. I felt it in my body. So I said, I can do it. Now I'm at Vicky's. Okay, sweet it is, okay? Vicky's, they have the best Cuban coffee. If you are in Davie area, go grab you a cup. Yes, I drink my coffee with a straw. And
lyrics, that shit that make you feel it every time you hear it. Now it's more false storytelling and some really weird appearances. Look in the mirror, these niggas ain't real as they appearing. And I don't need no hook for this shit, nigga. I don't need no hook for this shit, nigga. I don't need no hook for this shit, nigga. I don't need no hook for this shit. It's about as real as it gets.
oh my God. Okay, people. I am back. I made it back. All right, so let's see what damage I did today. I don't know if you guys can see that. An hour, 6 minutes. All right, let's see what else. 5.87. Is it on it? 5.87 miles. 5.87 miles. I did 5 miles today. Average speed, 5.2 miles per hour. I was cruising because that's what I do. I cruise, okay? And let me just say that it was a heck of a workout. My butt hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. I gotta find me a seat, some kind of seat for this butt of mine because I'm gonna do it. That's the only thing that really hurts. My legs hurt a little, but the butt.